How to prepare for limb lengthening. So friends, if you are looking for limb lengthening, you are doing a lot of research on limb lengthening, still you are confused, okay, should I go for limb lengthening or not? And then this video is going to help. Hello friends, I am Dr. Sunil Saini, trauma and laser surgeon, expert in limb lengthening, deformity correction and pain management. People want to gain height, and most common reason why they want to gain height, or they are not satisfied with their own natural height, most of the time the reason is that they want to get a better partner, or their boyfriend or their girlfriend is taller than them. So number one reason is that. Number two, they are working professionals and their colleagues are taller than them, and they think that because of their height they are not getting what the professional achievement they are not getting because of their height. And number three is that their confidence level is low because of their height. So if you are planning for limb lengthening and the reason for these limb lengthening are these three questions or the three reasons which I have already given, then you need to rethink again, and you need to give some time, and you need to take counseling whether after gaining that 6 to 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, all these issues will be solved. So that is the most important question which you need to ask yourself. If you think that after doing all these things, after getting through this surgery, because it's a life-changing surgery, it's a big surgery, it's a put a lot of psychological stress on the patient, because prior to surgery, few minutes before the surgery, you're totally independent personality, and immediately after the surgery, you are dependent on other people, and not for a shorter period of time. It is for almost 6 to 9 months. So that is a very important thing. You need to rethink again. You can take counseling. You can again discuss with your doctors or with other individuals, and many times we also go for psychological counseling or psychiatric counseling for this. If the answer is yes, that after gaining 6 to 7 centimeter, your confidence level will high, because maximum time patient want that he want to gain that confidence level, and definitely that improve. The best thing about this surgery is that patient gain confidence level. So then you are the right candidate for this. So number one is this. Number two, do your own research. Do your own research on limb lengthening, and then discuss with the doctors who are doing limb lengthening. Don't just go through the channels, the videos, and those who are not doctors and that they are just promoting limb lengthening. Don't just go on their counseling. Study thoroughly. What are the steps? What do you need to do? What to expect? What are the complications which can happen? And discuss with the doctor who are doing limb lengthening, not the marketing persons. Those who are just doing marketing and those who are no doctors, especially limb lengthening surgeons, don't go to them, and then just don't take their advices, because when you end up in complication, you will keep on cursing the surgery. This is the second important thing. Do your research, go to the doctors who are doing limb lengthening, and then discuss thoroughly with them. Take some time and then decide. Number three, now you have gone to step two also, you have discussed with the doctor also, and now you want to go for limb lengthening. So I always advise, do your full body health checkup, so that we can, prior to the surgery, we can see any if there is any deficiency. Most of the time there is deficiency of vitamin D, so the bones will be weak, so that prior to surgery also you get prepared. So at least in advance take 3 to 6 months, so that you can prepare for your limb lengthening surgery. It's not an emergency surgery, so you can prepare well. Number one. Number two, if you are a person who is not doing an exercise or sedentary lifestyle, you have sedentary lifestyle, start doing exercises, jogging, running, stretching, so that when your lengthening proceeds, there is no issue in your lengthening. Therefore your muscles and your body need to be flexible, your immunity need to be strong, and if your bones are weak, we can do all the tests. If there is any deficiency, that can be very well maintained, so that prior to surgery your body is completely fit. You need to understand that this is a cosmetic surgery, it is a planned surgery, therefore it needs a healthy body. So don't just rush after discussing with a doctor that you want to go for surgery tomorrow. Prepare your body for the surgery, prepare mentally also. This will give you enough time so that you can prepare, and all the steps as well as the whole journey will be smooth later on. And fourth, very important point, arrange your finances, because some of the people usually do work from home, then their finances will not be issues. So you arrange your adequate finances. You may be supporting your family, and if you are not working and you will be totally on bed for 6 months, so you need to arrange your finances also. That is also a very important point. And lastly, you need to arrange for the leave also, because if you are preparing, if you want to go for 7 to 8 centimeter of limb lengthening or 2 to 3 inches of limb lengthening, definitely will need almost 5 months prior to you start working independently. So you need to take off from your office also. If you want to go for work from home, then you need to extend your leave till that date. And sometimes if I say when will you be able to walk independently after going for 5 to 7, almost 7 centimeter of limb lengthening, it will take 7 to 8 months, max 9 months. So you need to have that adequate time. You need not to rush, otherwise complication can develop, and your physio therapy or rehabilitation will not be adequate enough if you are rushing for the limb lengthening, or if you are not doing adequate exercises, then complications may develop. So friends, this is in short about how to prepare for limb lengthening. The step by step I have given, that you initially you need to think the why you are going for limb lengthening, then you have to prepare yourself for the limb lengthening. You need to do your own research, you need to consult the doctor who are doing limb lengthening, then you prepare your body for that, then you arrange your finances, and finally arrange for your leave, and then you can come for limb lengthening. This is in short the how you can prepare for limb lengthening. So friends, if you have any query, if you want to go for limb lengthening, we are doing all the limb lengthening surgery, deformity corrections at our Global Hospital Trauma Center, and I'm happy to share with you that we are a NABH accredited hospital, and other than limb lengthening, deformity corrections, we are doing a lot of musculoskeletal issues. We are treating a lot of musculoskeletal issues like cervical spondylosis, tennis elbow, frozen shoulder, sciatica problems, knee osteoarthritis, ACL injury, meniscus injury. For all those issues, if any one of you are suffering from these issues, or any member of your family is suffering from this issue, you can also consult us. You can share your reports with us for the free opinion. So friends, I am hopeful that I have in this short video have clear how to prepare for limb lengthening. If still you have any doubt, you can consult us. You can contact on our below number, and do like our video, subscribe our channel, and share our video. Thank you so much.